Sobrang napaka-inspirational po ng nangyari ngayon, no? Nakita po talaga natin. Tayo pong nasa Isabela, saksi po ako kahit doon po nakita ko si Mayor, nakita ko yung lahat ng nagawa ng Isabela. The story of Isabela is the story of doing a lot with very little. Wala pong probinsya na masyadong malayo at wala pong bata ni isa na hindi mahalaga at importante para sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa.
We are honored to have you with us today. Your presence is a testament to your support to our institution and our mission. To our learners, teachers, and parents, this new facility is a result of our collective efforts and dedication. These classrooms will serve as a hub of learning, growth, and exploration. I would like to extend my gratitude to Attorney Maria Lenore Lene Gereno Lobredo, the Angat Buhay founder, JVR founder and MCOR Incorporation, Mayor Dada, Mayor City Dalia Turamin, Congressman Mujib Hataman, and others for their generosity and support in making this project possible.
So in behalf of the Angat Buhay Foundation, we'd like to thank everybody. Maraming salamat po talaga for the opportunity to serve and work with great partners with katulad ninyo. Hands-on si Ma'am City. Diba? Hands-on talaga at saka direct, how do I say this, progressive yung mga advocacies niya. Empowerment, preservation ng culture, yung nagkikwentuhan nga kami ni BM papunta dito, ibang-iba ang basilan of how I remember it nung bata pa kami nung ama niya sa ngayon.
May this building inspire you to strive for excellence. May it serve as a place where young minds are nurtured, talents are discovered, and futures are shaped. Let us work together to protect and maintain this facility, which already, Ma'am, made already a commitment, and yun lang naman yung expectations namin. Take care of the school and make use of it for what its purpose.